If you've ever felt like the text in Yahoo Mail is just a little too small to read comfortably, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Yahoo Mail font size quickly and easily so you can make your inbox much more readable in just a few seconds. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if you spend a lot of time checking email every day. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and software guides. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to keep making videos like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your web browser. Once your inbox is loaded, click anywhere on the page so your browser is active. Now on your keyboard, press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time. That is Ctrl plus plus. If the text does not get large enough after one press, keep pressing it multiple times until the font looks comfortable for you. This method works because it zooms in on the page, which makes the Yahoo Mail interface, including the text, easier to see. If you want a larger view of your inbox, messages, and menu items, this is the fastest way to do it. You can repeat the shortcut as many times as you need until everything looks right. If you ever make the text too big by accident, you can always zoom back out using Ctrl and the minus key. And if you want to return everything to normal, use Ctrl and 0 to reset the zoom level back to default. That gives you full control over how large or small Yahoo Mail appears on your screen. This is especially helpful if you use a laptop, a smaller monitor, or if you just prefer a more readable view while managing your email. Instead of straining your eyes, you can adjust the display in seconds without changing any account settings. So to recap, open Yahoo Mail, click on the page, and press Ctrl plus plus on your keyboard to increase the font size. Press it multiple times if needed until it reaches the size you want. It's quick, easy, and works in just a few moments. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.